In this example, we'll try to find the Laplace transform of this hyperbolic cosine function composed with 5t, right? So that's what we have given, and we're going to figure out the Laplace transform of this. But by just comparing one of the function that is given on the table of Laplace transform, and then just use that to figure the Laplace transform of this hyperbolic cosine of 5t. So if we look into the table of Laplace transform, there is a function given which is hyperbolic cosine. So we have given there as a hyperbolic cosine of k times t. So hyperbolic cosine is composed with k times t. So that's the function we have given, and its corresponding Laplace transform is given as s over s square minus k square. So that's what we have given. And then if we compare with the given one, so we have hyperbolic cosine of 5t, here is the hyperbolic cosine of k times t. So we can just see the value of the k is actually 5, which we can just plug that in over here and then figure out the Laplace transform of given function. Okay, so let's do that then. So the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine of 5t is then s over s square minus k square, so 5 square, right? So that means s over s square minus 25. So this would be the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine of 5t. So in the similar way, if so this is done, right? So this is the Laplace transform of this given function hyperbolic cosine of 5t. But if you want to make sure that you get this one, so let's try to work with some other hyperbolic cosine or similar function and then try to figure out the Laplace transform of that. So for example, the Laplace transform of hyperbolic cosine of pi t. So what should be the Laplace transform of this one? If we again compare with this one over here, the value of the k should be pi, right? So if that is the case, s over s square minus pi square. Or let's say if we need to figure out the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine of 7t, then this should be equal to s over s square minus 7 square, which is 49. Right, so this is how we can figure out the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine function of kt or similar functions like hyperbolic cosine of 5t or hyperbolic cosine of pi t or hyperbolic cosine of 7t.